Hi everyone, a quick Father's Day card today. I've cut out some pattern paper to 6 inches by 4.5 inches. I'm going to fold it vertically and I'm then going to fold it into the center. And if you haven't noticed, we've popped up actually a in-store workshop where we do 3 different folding cards in one workshop, and this one's included in it. So what I'm doing here is I've folded the bottom, which becomes the shirt sleeves, and then I've folded the top part, which becomes the collar. And I'll also show you how I did a little quick inked background to pop this on as well, and the finished cards. Father's Day is only a couple of weeks away. It doesn't have to be complicated. All you have to do is make something simple just to remind them that you care. And here we've got Vicky P's Stamperia contour dot or contour gel, and they are great for creating little dimensional dots. Pop down a little bit of hickory smoke and dried off each layer, and then pop down some tumbled glass and some broken china in blue. Dried that layer off again. And then last of all, I used some evergreen bow or peacock feathers would be fine. Wet it and then just let some large sort of splotches land on the card. And then again, dried that off. And then I've assembled my card with a simple sentiment and just inked the edges. And then on one of my cards, I put a pattern background. Thanks for watching.